how are you? My name is Anjal and I welcome you to this quick and easy tutorial for this beautiful song, Married Life from the movie Up. Now, this entire song has pretty much three main lines to learn, and you should be able to learn this entire song just like that. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start with the C chord. Now you're playing the 5th string, 3rd fret, followed by 2nd string and the 3rd string twice, like that. Then you just move the middle finger one up, take the ring finger off, you're doing 2 on the 5th string, same 2nd and 3rd string twice. Then you take the middle finger off, play the 0 on the 5th, and then again the 2nd and the 3rd string twice. So this much you have. Like that. So only the bass line is basically moving. Then you have 0, 2, 3 on the 5th string, and the moment you go to 3, same thing starts again. To the 2, to the 0. Okay, and then you kind of end it with 1 on the 2nd string, 1st string open, 1 again on the 2nd string. Now this 1 you have been holding throughout this line. So all of this very slowly we have. Very good. That takes you to the next line of the song, goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So you remember we are coming back from that 101 to the 3. Okay, so pretty much we are doing like that. So we start with the 3, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 5th string, along with the 2nd string open, followed by 2 on the 5th string. Then you go to 1, 2nd string, followed by 0, and this time take the 1 off, so you have a 2nd string open, like that. Then you have 2 on the 3rd string, play that with the 5th string open. Then you just place that 1 back on the 2nd string, 1st fret, you do 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and then you play 3rd fret, 5th string along with the 3rd string open. So this part very slowly from the 3 and 0 you have. Something like that. That takes you to the next part where you play the 2nd fret, 3rd string, followed by 1st string and 4th string open, 3rd fret, 2nd string, again the same 2 on the 3rd string, again the 4th string and the 1st string open, then you have 3, 1 on the 2nd string, end it with a 2 and 0 on the 4th and 3rd string, like that. Then you basically play twice on the 4th string, just open, and then you end this with 1, 3, 1 on the 2nd string. Okay, now I can understand it can be a lot of notes, but just read it, it should be much easier to do it that way. So all of this line very slowly from the beginning we have. Very well done. And that will take you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's play that back. So let's break that down. So we have, starting on the 3rd fret top string, you play that with the 2nd string open. Again, remember we are coming from that, like that. Okay, and the 3 and 0 is followed by 3 and 1 on the top string, like that. Then you just do 0 3 0 on the 2nd string, and now you've got a lot of zeros, so you just play the top string with the 3rd string open. Then you do 3 2 3, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, all open. Then you play 1st finger for the 1 on the top string, and then you can use pinky for the 4th string, because you will be using that ring finger to catch the next 3. So you play 1st finger top string and 3rd fret 4th string together, like that. Then you can just play while holding that same shape. You can go 4th string, 3rd string open, and again 4th string. And okay, before we move on, let's just play it up till here. From the start you had this, so you did 3 and 0, 3 1, 0 3 0, zeros together, 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string, 1 and 3, then 4th string and 3rd string. Okay, one more time, very slowly. Very well done. Then you go into the 3 with your ring finger, you catch that, then you do 2 3 on the 4th string, go back to the same 3 again, this time play it with 3rd string open. Use your middle finger for the 2 on the 3rd string, followed by 2nd string open, like that. And then you go to 3 on the top string, then you have 0 2, 3rd string, and then you play the same 3 with the 2nd string open, like that. And you kind of go back to the same 1 0 1. Okay, so this 1 0 1 is basically telling you that this is about to loop again, and you're going to go back to the previous line that we just did. But before we go there, let's play all of this together very slowly. We have very well done. And see, this will loop back, so we basically play both of these lines again. Goes something like this. From 1 0 1 we have very good. So you play it for the second time, and then you go to the last line of the song. Goes something like this. Very slowly we have break that down. So we start with 3. Again, that 101, when you did that, okay, the last part, the 1 is still there, so you don't really take that off and you just place the 3 there. It'll be much easier even though we are not playing it at the beginning of the song, okay, of this line. So you basically start with that 3 on the 5th string while you're still holding that 1. You do 3 on the 5th string followed by twice on the 3rd. Then you play the 2 with the middle finger, and then again kinda repeats how we did the first line of this song. So again 2nd string and 3rd string twice, 0, 0 again, then 2, 3. Same thing as the start of the song. And then you just play a C chord. Okay, now just make sure when you pluck it or when you play it, you're not hitting that high E string. Okay, we don't want to hear that. We just want it up till the 2nd string. Now you can also you can also pluck it like that, or you can just strum it. And if let's say you're having a hard time strumming it like that, you can also just mute it with your first finger. Just touch it a little bit so that that first string is not playable, and then you can just strum all the way down and you will not hear that first string ringing. Basically you want this and not this. You understand that? Okay, so the last line of the song, very slowly, let me play it back to you. We have very well done, and that will actually complete this song for you. Now that we have completed all the sections of the song, it's time for you to head into the play along of this song. But before you do that, make sure every section is very good and you know the song like the back of your hand, because the song is pretty quick and I want you to feel comfortable when you're attempting the play along. But let's say you're already very good with everything, then it's time for you to head right into it and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case there are still any doubts, any queries, suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. If you wanna see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.